This is irrigation monitoring and control system project. Now we are testing this project. So I kept soil sensor. These are soil or electric probes. This is the soil sensor. It will check the soil dryness and wetness. So this is a dry soil. I am using it. If the soil sensor is in dry, like dry soil, and then it is a comparator. It is comparing both the signals coming from the sensor, electrical probes. These probes will give signal to the comparator. If soil is dry, the signal will be passed to a relay. Relay is an electrical switch, or it is an automatic switch. This switch we are using to on the pump motor. This motor, like in irrigation, what we do is automatic watering. If in case of dry soil, we need to water it. It is completely dry, so we need to water it. So that watering we are planning to do it automatically with the help of the sensor. So to switch that, we are using a sensor, switch and motor. This motor we want to switch automatically with the help of sensor. Sensor will be checking the soil condition. So if soil is dry, this motor has to be on. And here I am using parallel power supply, because only one adapter I am using. I am not using separate adapters for motor, separate for relay, separate for sensor. Only one adapter I am using, that is for common and parallel power supply. So once this all everything is will be given to you, just you need to connect into the plug and power on. Once you power on, since I have kept the sensor in the dry soil, the motor will be on, pump motor will be on. If I keep that into the soil, since I am this just a testing only, so I am not keeping that pipe into the dry soil. If I keep it, so motor will get off if the soil becomes wet. Now we'll test it. See, now I am connecting it. Now I arranged it so it is watering. So now pump motor is off because soil is wet. In case of wet, the motor will be off only. Now if I remove it, see, motor is on. I removed. I am not keeping the sensor into the soil. If I keep it into the wet soil, motor will be off automatically. So to show into the exhibition, you keep two boxes, one with wet soil, one with dry soil, and keep the tray as it is. While showing it, you keep it in the like dry or wet, anything. You can arrange it the same way. It will be easy for you for demonstration purpose. So see here. Now I am demonstrating by keeping sensor. Now I kept sensor into the soil and motor is off because it is a wet soil, so motor will be off.